Hadin belami ke Jingpyrshah Halor ke Projek Lumpongdeng nakeliang Myntri Rangbah ke Jalau Konrad ke Sangma mentah ke Janmit ula Pynshai habedei ke Jing temu jeng ke Projek. Katkum ke Jing ong jeng u ke sorkar ke ledep ke Shai ha ke sos kular bah ke Projek kamdei setia ke entei de ke Jing tei ke banne junom henrei ke de ke enchna bat weng no tang shudep ke kam.
Dear friends, there have been some concerns that have been raised in the public regarding the Lumpongdeng island. I would like to take this opportunity to clarify to everyone that in the agreement that has been signed, the government and the tourism department has made it very, very clear that there will be no permanent construction that can take place in the island. So therefore, the concerns that are there that the entire island will be made into a concrete setup is completely wrong. Government has made it clear in the agreement that no permanent structure is going to be allowed in the island. But in order to ensure that we're able to take advantage of the location, temporary structures, shamiranas, pandals, and temporary stalls, which are going to be dismantled once the program is over, like we do in Watts Lake. These kind of structures will be allowed, which will be barely there for a week, 10 days, and then removed again. And hence, there will be no impact of any sort on the island or on the overall flora and fauna in that location. And hence, I would like to clarify this and inform everybody that there is no major need to be concerned. There could be some individuals who might try to mislead that there have been some consent to operate and establish permissions being given. That is as per the Forest Department's permissions, which means that Forest Department has said that in case the permission has to be given, it can be given as per the Forest Department in certain sections. But to take that also into consideration, we have ensured that no construction will be allowed. And hence, even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction, permanent construction, will be allowed in that particular island. So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.